Hi there! Today we are going to make an airplane. So this is something which we have in our book. So let's see what do we have. Let's see what are the steps required to make this and start making this. Well, at first we are going to make the skeleton of our airplane. So let's make this fish-like structure first. After that, let's try making the wings. Yes, we will start with a very rough drawing at first. Once we are done with that, let's get to the tail and make this part. We will make one more wing on the left side as well. And after that, let's make the top part of it. This looks interesting. Now, let's start giving it a little bit of detail. Well, yes. Let's start making this part now, for which we have to make an oval here. This looks great. After that, let's do the same thing on the other side as well. Give it a defined detail now. Start drawing darker on top of the light lines. Go very slow while making these curves and don't make a mistake. This looks interesting. That's lovely. We are now going to make the windows and the door as well. Yes, make very small windows right here. The windows will go from bigger to smaller as we can see this airplane in a perspective. Let's make the back side fair now. Let's make this a detailed version now. This looks great. The next step we'll do is sketch our entire airplane. Let's do this together. Go very slow while sketching it and make sure that you sketch the entire plane properly. Go right on top of the pencil marks and complete the entire airplane. Make sure that you do not miss out any parts of our airplane. Use the tip of our black sketch pen to make the windows which are so small. This looks interesting. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see. And look, our airplane is ready to fly. But wait, we need to color it, isn't it? So let's start coloring this. Yes, the first color we've taken here is yellow color. So we will fill in all the parts which are yellow in color at first. That's when we will jump to another color. Go very slow while coloring the smaller parts. Make sure you do not keep any white spaces. This looks very interesting. And now we will take dark blue color. Let's start doing it at all the places where dark blue is shown. These parts are very small, so there are times when you will not be able to do the outline for it. All you have to do is start by coloring inside carefully so that you do not go out of the lines. Complete coloring this part. And then we will do these windows and door right here. Let's do the front window with the blue color as well. And the inside part right here with black color. Finally, let's take grey color and give it a little bit of a shiny effect. Yes, we can take dark and light grey for this one. Complete coloring it exactly like the way it's shown in our book. That's amazing! And look, we're done with our airplane.